You guys ready to start this thing up and go for a rip? Welcome back. Man, do we have a good episode for you guys today. We've been waiting months and months and months and months and months. Is today the day? You have to wait and see. You're watching Whiskey Dance. Thanks for joining us. It's going to be a good one. Stick around. You got two gigantic mirrors. I don't know, he's not underneath it. That's good. Nice work. Yeah, we don't have brakes. What do you need those for?
Need to give her a bath.
It needs a lot of things. Yeah, we got to get some more stuff secured. You can see this rear end move quite a bit. Okay, it's pretty windy, so I'm not going to record for very long. I need to get that hanger bearing done and secured. I need to do a little bit of cutting. Right, Sean? So I can put the shifter on. And I'm going to put that wheel back to the way it was before. That should be enough for now. See if we can't drive it down the driveway. Maybe run into some stuff. We'll see what happens. Ready, go. So it looks like I'm going to need about a 2-inch spacer on each side. I'll just weld it directly to the frame. Tighten all this stuff up. And then we'll focus on the shifter. I'm going to cut some pieces for this. It is at just a little bit of an angle. So, it's kind of hard to tell, but sorry about the crappy camera work. Anyways, I'll get them spacers cut quick, and then we'll get them tacked in, welded up. Woo. Okay, I got every vice grip that I own out here holding stuff. The drive shaft is perfectly centered. I don't know if you can see that or not. Got a board holding it up. Measured 15 times. Looks good. Let's get to welding. All right. If you guys haven't tried these Vevor 5-ton pneumatic bladder jacks yet, you should. It'll lift 11,000 pounds with the greatest of ease. The compressor's going to come on, but look at that. Look at it, would ya? I did a review on this the other day. It is the Vevor 5-ton pneumatic jack. It's got wheels on it. It's easy to move. It's $125. I have a discount code you can use. It's just awesome. And I'm using a really small compressor. 6-gallon, 150 PSI pancake one that I borrowed from work. Anyways, what it is the Vevor 5-ton pneumatic jack. It'll lift 11,000 pounds. It actually lifts really quick considering I'm using a 6-gallon, 150 PSI pancake welder that I borrowed from work. So it lifts this thing up, no problem. I don't know how heavy this truck is, but I'm sure there's some weight in the front. So let's get this tire swapped around and then we'll throw a battery in it. Woohoo! You know, it is really weird turning something backwards to get it to start. These older vehicles, the driver's side has reverse threads, just so you know. All right, I'm gonna get this tightened on quick. I'm telling you, you need one of these in your life. Who doesn't need the capability to lift 11,000 pounds? All right, I need to modify this. And it looks like at one time, someone else modified this because there was a hole where I need the hole. Somebody brazed it in or something. So I'm gonna clearance that just a little bit. I got another one of these in the shop. I'll probably fix her up real nice. But for now, we'll just be able to shift it, and then I'll throw a battery in it, and then we should be ready to drive it. All right, sorry about the wind. Here goes nothing, first drive. Well, sorry about the wind, but what do you guys think of that? Oh man, I'm so happy. It's been, well, we got it last fall, really. I don't remember exactly when we drove it home, but she looks good. Man, I'm so excited. I can't wait to get some brakes and a few other things finished up, but man, am I a happy guy. It looks so good out here in the open. What do you guys think? Who wants to drive at about 25 feet? Oh man, I'm so damn happy. Not even funny. Love it. What do you guys think? I think it looks really good. Struggle to give this thing away. It's just perfect. Sorry about the wind. What can you do? I gotta get them stacks on there right now. Boy, just seeing that truck at the end of the driveway puts my motivation levels through the roof. And then walking up and see the crew cab sitting there nice and low. Man, I'm telling you, it is a great day. Good luck getting this smile off of my face. I'm gonna try to get those stacks tipped up on there so they look like they're attached. We gotta get the full effect, you know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? There it is. Stacks look awesome. Alright, so that is our short drive video. It's too windy to be doing anything out here, but at least you guys know it moves under its own power. And yeah, gives something to look forward to next Friday. Hopefully we can get the rear end secured, brakes on it, take it for a real drive. So, well, I hope you guys enjoyed our little drive video. I know it's super exciting. Don't forget to check out all of my friends, please. And have a great weekend. I know I'm going to. Bye. Oh, wow. Look at you, girl. Well, one project's almost done. Do you think we should start on the crew cab again? Or should we save that? Let me know. I think I'm picking up another project next Friday. Ooh, super exciting. All right. How does that even happen?